Well, I had some advantages because I have friends that spoon-fed me to Dr. Karam. So I was able to see, and they were males, and I was able to see the results, which were phenomenal. The biggest concern that I had, I think probably my friends had, is the procedure going to alter the way in which I look? My objective was to be rejuvenated. I've exercised my whole life. I watch my diet. I'm in actually great health. My physique is reasonable, and that was from the neck down. And most specifically within the last decade or so, I could see a deterioration, if you will, in which the gravity was having an effect on my face. And although I can't say I was depressed about it, it was pretty evident. So I had to look into cosmetic surgery over the last decade, and my decision at this point in life was based on a new chapter in my life and making the decision that I wanted my face to match where I was physically, internally, and externally. You just feel better, and it's instantaneous. The day after surgery, as things progressed, was dramatic in terms of the speed. I mean, a week later, I'm out and about, and I'm seeing people, and people aren't catching it. They're not looking at me look really weird. And if you see my before and after pictures, it's pretty evident. I had, I guess they call it a short lift, where everything is moved in this direction. I also had a moderate chin plant installed, and so that's helped out a little bit. I was concerned whether I was going to have the superhero chin, and he assured me that no, that wasn't the case. Aging gracefully. Well, I think through the vehicle of plastic surgery and the things and the techniques of Dr. Karam, that redefines aging gracefully. Because if you look at my before and after pictures, my after pictures are aging gracefully, and it matches with the overall presence. I plan on living for another 20, 30 years, and in doing so, I want to look my best. From a male's perspective, there may be an apprehension to be on camera, to be talking about this, and I jumped at the chance to do it because I believe in what this man is doing. This, again, body, mind, and spirit. This hits all three of those, and so I'm happy to help. And the staff here has been phenomenal. Everything is first class. I received a call from Dr. Karam the night before. He said, "Hey, just checking in with you. I want you to know everything's going to go fine." That had a significant positive impact, and that was great. The aftercare has been tremendous. I mean, God forbid exposing my feminine side. I actually received a huge box of flowers 2 days after procedure. They were tremendous. They were so large I had to put 2 vases in my house, and I'm walking around and I looked at them, and it was really classy. It was really nice. So I couldn't be happier with not only the aftercare, the procedure, the results, most importantly. I'd have to say changed with respect to I feel good about the things that I'm doing in my life, and this was a significant benchmark in me moving forward and continuing to maintain the positive things that have been in my life. Kind of like living on life's terms on a daily basis, where the results will show up on a daily basis, because I do feel better about myself. There's no question about that. This man is changing lives. And he's doing it in a way that unless you've had it done, it's difficult to understand.